What's going on, everybody? We are back again with another video. We are going to be cleaning out a dryer vent. Here we are. Here's the vent on the wall, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at the bristle we bought for this. So it comes with these little spindles. So they give you enough for 50 feet. So get you some electrical tape and a drill. It also comes with this little attachment. So we'll go over that. Okay, this is what I recommend. I recommend starting off with these two pieces taped up. Get it in the wall. Get it going up the wall. And then you're gonna tighten this onto your drill. Like that. Okay? And it's stuck there like that. Okay? Then when you fast forward only, don't do reverse because it can take these apart when you push reverse, especially if they're not taped. That's why you tape them. So we'll get after it. You might want to get you a pair of pliers and a crescent wrench, because sometimes the end of this tip for the chuck, it tightens up, so you need to loosen it up, and it comes loose. Make sure it's in forward. See, I thought I was gonna have to take this off because I thought that was sealed. I wasn't sure, but I guess it does have a swivel on it. Okay. Well, there it is. I'm gonna pull this through a couple more times to clean that out real good. It's got a lot of crap in there. That's how you do it, guys. You have to get down here, get past that little lip on each one, pull, you get it out. Just a massive amount of stuff here in the bottom. Alright guys, we're going to do this a couple more times, run through there and get more stuff out. If you like these type of videos, hit the like button for us. We appreciate it. Consider subscribing to our channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.